Hi Red Class, this week for maths we are going to go back to looking at shape. Now we've done lots of this in Red Class already and lots of you are really good at naming and describing your 2D shapes. So we're going to look at our 2D shapes first and then we will move on to 3D shapes. Our first activity is I'm going to show you a shape and I want you to shout out what that shape is. So this is the first shape. What shape is this? A circle. Fantastic. What about, let's try this shape. A triangle. Well done, a triangle. Now remember, is it still a triangle if I turn it this way? Yes, it doesn't matter what way I turn it because the properties of the triangle are still the same and we're going to talk about that a little bit later. Now, what shape is this? It's a square. Fantastic. And again, if we turn it around, it's still a square. Now, I've got two more. What shape is this? A rectangle. Fantastic. A rectangle. And I've got a little rectangle here as well. And it's still a rectangle if we turn it this way or if we have it lying down. Now the last shape I've got is this one. What shape is this? A semicircle. It's half a circle. Fantastic. Now I'm going to put these shapes to the side and I'm going to turn you down to the table. Now, in Red Class already, we have had a look at the properties of these shapes and we have been describing the shapes. Now, I wonder if you can remember what this part of a shape is called. It's a side of a shape, and a triangle has got 1, 2, 3 sides. Now, there's also these bits on a triangle. What are these parts of a shape called? The corners. We've got 3 sides and we've got 3 corners, like the points on a shape. Now, on my piece of paper, we are going to sort these shapes into shapes that have got straight sides, so flat, straight sides, and those that have got curved sides that have got round sides on them. So the first shape is a triangle. Now I've just told you that a triangle has 3 corners and 3 sides. Can you say that with me? A triangle has 3 corners and 3 sides. Now I wonder if you can tell me, are the sides on a triangle straight sides or are they curved round sides? They're straight sides, so we need to put the triangle onto the side that says straight sides. Let's have a look at this shape. What was this shape called? A rectangle. Now, a rectangle has got 1, 2, 3, 4 corners and 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. Now, it's got 4 sides, but can anybody remember what is so special about the sides on a rectangle? I'll give you a clue. Have a look at these 2 sides and compare them against these 2 sides. Now, these 2 sides are longer and these 2 sides are shorter. So a rectangle has got 4 corners, 4 sides, 2 of the sides are long and 2 of the sides are short. Now, there are different sized rectangles. Here is a bigger one and this has also got 2 long sides and 2 short sides. Now, does a rectangle have curved round sides or straight sides? What do you think? It's got straight sides, so let's put the rectangle with our triangle. Now, the next shape we're going to look at is this shape. What shape is that? A circle, a circle. Now, I wonder if you can have a think. Does a circle have any corners? Does it have any points like a triangle or a rectangle? No, there are no corners that are stopping the sides. There are no corners, and I wonder how many sides does it have? Let's have a look. There is just one side that goes all the way around, and it does not stop because there are no corners. So does this circle have straight sides or a curved round side? It's got a curved side all the way around. Now, I have got two more shapes. What shape is this? It's a square. Let's have a look at the properties of a square. So, it's got 1, 2, 3, 4 corners and 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. A square has 4 corners and 4 sides. Can you say that with me? A square has 4 corners and 4 sides. But a rectangle had 4 corners and 4 sides. But remember, a rectangle has 2 longer sides and 2 shorter sides. But a square has sides that are all the same length. Now, does a square have curved sides like a circle or straight sides? It has got straight sides like our triangle and our rectangle. Now I've got one more shape to show you. What shape was this? A semicircle because it's half a circle. Now, this one is very interesting because let's have a look at how many corners it's got. 1, 2. It's only got 2 corners. And then how many sides does it have? 1, 2. A semicircle has 2 corners and 2 sides. Now, I wonder if you can tell me, is this side curved or straight? It's curved, but is this side curved or straight? It's straight, it's flat. So this means a semicircle has got 1 curved side and 1 straight side. So we can't put it on just one of the sides because it's got both. We need to put that one in the middle. There it is. Now, well done. Look at those shapes that we have sorted together. Now, you've listened to Miss Valenti talk about the different sides and corners of a shape. Now what we're going to do, just before you go and do your activity at home, I am going to describe a shape and I want to see if you can shout out the shape that I am describing. Now the first shape I've got in my hand, it has got no corners and it's got a round curved side. What shape is that? Fantastic, it's a circle. Well done. Now, the next shape I'm going to describe has got 3 corners and 3 sides. 3 corners and 3 sides. What shape was that, everybody? A triangle. Here it is, a triangle. 3 sides and 3 corners. Well done. The next shape I've got has got 4 corners and 4 sides. The 4 sides on this shape are the same. They're the same length. What shape is that? Excellent. It's a square. Good job, everybody. I've got 2 more to describe. Now, this shape has got 2 corners and 2 sides. One side is curved and one side is straight. What shape am I describing? Excellent. A semicircle. One straight side and one curved side. One more. Now this shape has got 4 corners, 4 sides, and 2 of the sides are longer and 2 of the sides are shorter. What shape is that? Excellent. It's a rectangle because it's got 2 shorter sides and 2 longer sides. Boys and girls, that was fantastic. Now you have got an activity to complete with your family at home. So good luck and send me a picture when you have finished. I can't wait to see all of your shape learning. Bye boys and girls.